grapefruit tart. So I am just juicing a grapefruit. This is a really juicy one, so I probably don't need to squeeze the heck out of it. And I just strained out the pulp and the seeds. And then I also have the zest from the same grapefruit. And I'm gonna add a couple of egg yolks and a can of sweetened condensed milk, which is the nectar of the gods. And then I wanna color the filling pink, just to kind of drive home that grapefruit note. So I'm gonna add probably 5 drops of red food coloring. I always close it when I'm finished because I cannot be trusted. And then I'm gonna whisk it. I know, but it's gonna turn more pink as I stir. So for the crust, I actually already pre-baked it. I just used graham crackers and butter and sugar, pressed it into a tart pan, and baked it just till it was barely golden. All right, so I've got the crust, and I'm gonna pour the filling right in. It'll actually deepen in color just a little bit as it bakes. All right, let's get this tart in the oven, Alex Marie. It bakes at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes until the filling is set. And then I'll take it out, let it cool, and chill it before I serve. Never have I chosen a more perfect shirt color than the one I chose today. Look.
Was that a coincidence?
It actually was. I wasn't even thinking ahead. So the tart is baked and it's cooled and chilled and straight out of the fridge. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take the liberty of cutting a beautiful piece of grapefruit tart. How gorgeous is this?
Wow.
And we helped the color along a little bit, but that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And then I have some freshly whipped cream.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, you can.
What's the difference between pie and tart?
It's a really good question. I think it's usually like the thickness of the crust and, you know, the height. I always think of a tart as being sort of short, like low to the ground. I mean, low to the plate.
Okay.
Okay, grapefruit tart. Look how beautiful. This is perfect when you're having company over, or it's perfect on a Tuesday, about 1:45. Oh, let's just call it perfect.
Got it.